waking up 6 months from now with a business that is fetching you money even while you are still sleeping? That is not a dream anymore. It is a reality, and people are already living in it presently. But here is the problem. Most people are still chasing the outdated side hustle while the real opportunity is passing them day after day. But you don't have to worry. This video has covered 8 most profitable business that you can start this year, and I will break it down how it works, how much you can earn, and how to get your business start running smoothly even if you have little or no experience. But the number 6 and number 7 are the most easiest to start and very lucrative, and you don't need money to start any of these two. So stick around while I give you the full details. This could be the opportunity you've been waiting for, so let's get into it. High paying business model number 1 is AI consulting service. I would love us to start with this because AI consulting service is very futuristic. Many business owners today are desperate to use AI to run their business smoothly, but you see these people, they don't know how to operate it. So that is why if you leverage this opportunity, you will make a lot of money by just guiding these people through on how to set up AI automation, content system, or chatbots. And you can earn up to $200,000 monthly. And how much do you need to start up this business? Zero capital. I have someone who turned this freelancing into a $12,000 monthly doing AI consulting services. And that takes us to the second high income business that you can as well start, which is subscription and membership sites. If you want a predictable and recurring income, then you will want to build a paid community around niche like parenting, fitness, or money. And with this, you can possibly earn up to $50,000 monthly, but you will need a little startup cost. But maybe you prefer selling physical products, then you will want to go for Amazon FBA, which is the third high income business in today's list. People trust Amazon more than local store, and Amazon are very good in handling anything concerning product that you send to them. So your job now is to pick a niche, send your product to them, and they will handle the rest for you. You can be earning between $3,000 to $300,000 monthly, but in this case, you will need a little startup cost of $500 to $2,000. But if you want a business that you can create once and keep getting paid forever, then digital products will be your good choice, which is the fourth business on today's list. You can be selling ebook, templates, or online courses, and you will be earning good amount of money from $50,000 to $200,000 monthly. The question is, how much can you use in starting this business? And the answer is almost zero capital. Now let's move into the world of wealth building, which is the number 5 on today's list. Real estate digital investing. If you decide to invest in frictional real estate or manage Airbnbs digitally, you can be earning from $1,000 to $20,000 monthly. Although you will be needing a startup cost of $500 depending on your pocket, and then you can now start building. In this time and era, knowledge is the new currency. That takes us to the number 6 high income business that you can as well start today. People don't just want information, they want guidance. So if you are able to offer life coaching, fitness, career, or business consulting, you will be earning so much well from $3,000 to $30,000 monthly, and your startup cost is zero capital. Just download Zoom from your Play Store and start your marketing. A good friend of mine is a coach, and she's charging $1,000 per client, and she's working with 15 people. That is $15,000 monthly, all from the comfort of her bed and just her smartphone. But what if you don't want to create anything but you want to start? Then affiliate marketing is the best choice for you, which is the number 7 business you can decide to start today. If you are starting with this, you will be needing only your smartphone, data connection, and 2 to 3 hours of your day. If you are ready, just head on to Seller and make yourself an affiliate. Then you can now start promoting company products, and you'll be earning good amount of money for yourself. And finally, the biggest of them all is automation. Businesses need automation for massive sales, marketing, and scheduling. So if you launch or white label software and sell subscription, you'll be earning from $10,000 monthly, and your startup cost is from $200 to $1,000. An entrepreneur scale up a white label CRM to $25 monthly, which is very reasonable. So there you have it, the 8 high income business that you can start right now. Here is the thing. You don't need to do all, just pick one and go in all and commit to learning. The difference between those who succeed and those who fail is action. People who start today will be telling their success story by the end of this year. Drop your comment below which of these 8 business you will want to start this year, and tell me if you want me to make a step-by-step guide on any of them. I might make that my next video. Success don't wait, so neither should you.